Hi, I'm Margaret. Now I don't usually put a video out on a Friday, but today I'd like to introduce you to Jill Hecker's book, Every Dish Has a Story. Jill has a YouTube channel called Yester Kitchen. She makes great dishes from the 1930s right up to the 1980s, and she always has a great story to tell about how the dish first came about. Well, Jill has been talking to lots of people about their childhood memories, about food that they remember from when they were young, and she's written about each one for her book. She's been kind enough to include one of my recipes, and I'm going to make that for you today. And at the end of the video, I'll show you where to find Jill's channel and how to get hold of a copy of her fabulous book. So here goes. This is my recipe. It's Bonfire Night Parkin. This is a lovely, sticky, gooey cake that has been made for generations in Britain. It uses black treacle, which gives it its gorgeous flavour, and golden syrup, which has a beautiful caramel taste. Now, Bonfire Night is celebrated in Britain. It commemorates when Guy Fawkes and his friends decided to blow up the Houses of Parliament in 1605. And the reason we celebrate it is because it was a failed attempt. They were discovered. The gunpowder and poor old Guy Fawkes were found in the cellars before he could even light the fuse. It was a very lucky escape for everyone who was in the building at the time, and also for the Palace of Westminster, which still stands today. Well, while I've been chatting on, the Parkin has come out of the oven. It's not quite ready to eat yet, because it needs to be wrapped up, popped into an airtight tin, and left for 5 days. Then it becomes beautifully sticky and gorgeous. I always love the shape of Parkin, where it's been baked in the paper. Just look at those lovely dimples at the side. Now let's cut it so you can see the centre. Perfectly sticky and chewy. And here's a slice for you. I recommend eating it either smothered in golden syrup or dunked into a steaming cup of hot chocolate. Well, this is just one of the recipes in Jill's new book. There are many more delicious treats to discover. So as promised, I'll put a link to Jill's channel at the end of this video, and all the information on how to find the book for yourself will be down below in the description. Thanks for watching today, and I'll see you again with my regular recipes on Monday.